Central, can I have another unit step it up, please? Get down.
Please don't kill me.
I'm going to tase you. So you're not going to tell me your name? Dude, sit down.
Why?
I'm not going to tell you again. Stay down. Dude, what kind of drugs are you doing? What are you on?
I did everything actually, and I met that.
On June 2nd, 2025, a Florida law enforcement officer responded to a disturbance call in New Smyrna Beach.
I just want my girlfriend and I want to go to Europe.
What?
I just want my girlfriend and I want to go to Europe.
Go to Europe?
Yeah, I don't really like America. I don't like capitalism. She came up on me. She grabbed me when we were by the road, saying she doesn't know where she's at.
I'm an actor.
He's obviously
I'm acting.
off too.
Okay.
Boys, I'm acting.
Where's she?
You want me to get her?
Yeah, could you get her, please? Someone help me, please. Why is no one helping?
Hang out. Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah, right here. We good, boys.
Okay.
You understand? We all straight up. I love you all. You all are away.
Hello.
I just need to figure out, he's staying at a place in Maitland. He drove over here today. I just need to figure out where his house is so I can go back and get my things and my phone so I can go back to where DeLand is. I'm originally from DeLand, Florida.
So are you with him?
He took me on a date. Like, we went out on a date last night.
Okay.
And he took me out here, and like we were supposed to have like a little overnight like sleepover and then go out to the beach. And
Okay.
he drove me over here to New Smyrna, I think that's where we is. And then we're here now, and then I don't know what he's doing. I just need to figure out where his car is, and so I can get my phone, because I don't even have any of my things right now. And I don't know what's wrong with him.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything wrong with him. I just think he has like issues. He needs to take like some meds or something.
Get off my car, dude.
Why?
Central, can I have another unit step it up, please? Get down.
Please don't kill me.
I'm going to tase you. Get out.
Wait, that would probably hurt my heart. Don't do this.
Get down.
I'm down, sir.
Sit on the ground.
I'm peaceful, sir. I would never hurt you.
Sit on the
I would
ground.
never hurt you, but I prefer standing. I promise. Why would you tase me? I don't want to do that.
Sit down.
I'll stand the grass. I really am more comfortable there. I'm just really smart, and you're an actor. Actually, I'm acting. Sorry. It's all a simulation, huh?
Don't move.
Please don't tase me, bro.
Don't move, and I
I
won't.
love you, sir.
Okay, sit there. Don't move.
You want a fist bump?
No, I don't want a
You
fist
don't have any
bump.
respect for me. I'm a real G. You know it.
Okay, that's great. Sit there and relax. What's your name?
I don't really like cops, but you're a good guy.
What's your name?
You got a good heart on you, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Real G 6999999999999. Wait, I'm insane. You understand, dude?
Do you want to go to jail, dude?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
It's all a simulation. I'm just trying to help you. Could I have your gun, actually? Do you want to give me it? I'm not going to shoot you or anyone. I would
No.
never hurt anyone.
Just sit there, relax.
Sure. Just keep the gun on you. It's safer there, huh?
Yeah, it is. Much safer.
Absolutely, you're right. You know everything, huh? It hurts. I'm just acting. I'm playing dead. Look, you shot me. Boy.
So you're not going to tell me your name? Dude, sit down.
Why?
I'm not going to tell you again. Stay down.
Of course, absolutely, sir. I can play dead if you want me to, sir.
That's fine. Lay there. Don't move.
You're scared of me. I don't even understand. I gotta pee really bad. Baby, do you want to come with me? Look at me, bro. Look what they're doing to me. They're all dumb. What are you
I don't
doing?
know what's key. Just cuff him. I don't know what's going on with this dude.
Wait, why aren't you stopping?
Roll over.
Roll over. Why aren't you stopping?
Roll over.
Wait, I don't do what I told him. What? It's not really hurt you. I need to clean my tattoos soon. Go easy on my cuffs, boys. It'll hurt you, huh? Tell everybody don't hurt me, son. I'm just trying to tell you my story. You don't really want to listen.
9 Charlie 17 Central. I got one security until I figure out what's going on.
You got anything on us that's gonna poke us, stab us?
I have a switchblade, and that's why I'm
Where's it at?
It's in my left pocket. I'm Satan, really. I know everything.
Dude, what kind of drugs are you doing? What are you on?
I did everything actually, and I met God and I killed him, and now I am him.
It hurts. I just kind of found it, you know? Please don't kill me. I don't want to die.
Nothing else?
No, that's my last life. I don't want to die, dude.
So later, relax. I have no idea what's going on.
Okay.
And next thing I know, he's climbing on the hood of my car.
Okay.
So,
Baby, do you want to come here? I
so
love you.
all I got was that's girlfriend.
Look, I'm
Right.
an idiot.
Suppose
Look, I'm
not
so
even
stupid,
not
bitch.
even girlfriend.
I'm so
Supposedly
dumb,
they
bitch.
met last night.
Why
He
the
brings
fuck
her
ain't you with
here.
me, huh?
He brings
Why
her
the
here
fuck
on a
ain't you with
date.
me, huh?
And then
Why the fuck
And
ain't
now
you with
this,
me, huh?
she
I'm
doesn't
over
even
here
know
singing this dumb
she lives in
song. Bitch,
Altamont
why
or something.
won't
She
you
doesn't know where
listen
his
to
her
me?
stuff
I'm
is. That's
a
all
real
she
boy.
has. She has no idea where his car is.
I'm
Nothing.
a
And
real
this is
boy.
how he's acting.
I'm on Satan's lettuce. Ah! Like, are you dumb? Are you really looking at me and thinking that, son? Trust your heart. Trust your fucking heart.
What's your first name?
I don't see it. My first name's Real G, and I operate under basically whatever I want. Okay. It's sick, huh?
Where do you live?
Outside of capitalism. Could you take me out? I don't want to be here anymore. Yo, I hate capitalism, sweetheart. Come here with it. I'll take you out. I'll take you out of capitalism. I promise. They're all dumb. They're all acting.
Stay down.
Stay down.
Sir, I'm not gonna
You
tell
know
you
in your
again.
heart what I'm doing. I just want to sit.
Cross your
I just
legs.
want to sit peacefully.
There you go. We'll sit there peacefully.
Son, I'm peaceful. I don't want to hurt no one. I just want my girlfriend. Do you want to come here, baby? Are you stupid? Are you a dumb bitch? Like, what the fuck? I'm not acting, and these cuffs don't really hurt me.
I have no idea what's going on.
Okay.
I get here, they said that she, from a popular or something, they came here last night on a date.
Uh-huh.
He brings her here.
Uh-huh.
They hang out, whatever. They were supposed to go to the beach. And she's like, no. She's like, I just want to leave. I don't have any of my stuff. I don't know where his car is. I start asking him questions, and this is how he acts. He climbs on the hood of my car.
Okay.
So I got him a taser, told him to sit down, and when he got here, we cuffed him. So he's not telling me his name. He's not telling me nothing. And she's not telling me anything other than they
So
came from
other
wherever.
than they came and she just wants to leave, and he's having
He's, God
Eyes
knows.
drink.
Yeah, I don't know what his problem is, but
So her stuff is with, I guess they met last night.
Okay.
She was going to take him out on a date. I don't know if it was a Tinder date or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they came here from Maitland. She lives in DeLand. She said she's got her stuff in his car. She said they parked somewhere over here in like a 2-hour parking or something.
Okay.
so she doesn't know
her
where the
phone-
car
Okay.
is. She doesn't
So
know
we
where
need to
his stuff.
figure out. We need to get him to talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
His name and just his name's DOG. Go ahead, try it.
acting. I'm not acting.
Hi.
I just
Yeah,
want my
good. Yeah, I
girlfriend,
told him. I
please.
thought I told him.
Can you wake her up? Hey, look at me. Lyric. Lyric.
Okay. So
Lyric.
that's the one.
Look at me, girl. Come here.
There.
Yeah,
Come
that I
here.
couldn't find.
You
I
know
was
what to
walking up and
do.
down the street.
You know what to do. I'm trying to show you something. Just let me tell you.
Does she know where the car is? Let me see if she knows. Do you have any idea where his car is parked?
I don't know. It's orange and it's low to the ground. His name's Ben.
His name is Ben,
His name is Ben.
and it's an orange lows to the car.
I don't think y'all got here during the night.
No, it was like more towards the day. Like I don't know what time it is right now. It's like,
Probably not on the beach then.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
are you freaking serious? I need to get home. Yeah, we were. It was like 6 a.m. when we started driving out.
So you came here this morning at 6
yes,
a.m. and
and,
parked
like-
somewhere?
No. We've been on the beach for like a really long time. We parked somewhere, and I just need to figure out where it is because he needs to get me back to like where mainland is because that's where I have like my purse and everything.
The idea is where his car is. Then maybe they can find out where that is that you have to go to.
I know, but the thing is, we need to find his phone, which he threw.
I don't really care where his phone is. To be
I know,
honest
but
with
I need
you.
to figure out where his place is.
The car probably
Where to get
If we
from
could
point
find
A to
if we
point
could
B.
find his
will
car,
have it.
but you have no idea where the car's parked. Is that his stuff, I'm assuming? Is this his stuff?
Yes, sir.
I'm not evil. I'm not crazy. Why don't you listen to me?
You're not a snake, son. You're not a snake.
Yeah, we can't get this.
Boy, you're not.
Supposedly
You're not
his
evil.
name
You're
is
not.
Ben.
You are
Ben,
God, son.
Ben.
You are
They
God.
have an
You are God.
orange
Wake up.
logo
Shut
on
up.
the
Shut
car
up.
parked
Silence.
somewhere, but
Silence.
she doesn't know where.
Shut the f up. I'm a real mother. Hey, yo, listen to me, son. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Yeah, the nine's never up, son. Wait, the nine's never up, son.
What's your name? Okay, that's your username? What about your first name?
I love my babies. Wow. Wait, baby, you're doing a snake. I just realized I'm not a snake. Yeah, actually, I should. It's real, guys. It hurts. And you're a real beautiful bitch, huh? What do you want good luck in my life?
You gonna crank that real quick for me?
Why not? Can we crank that shit or what? Yeah. I want to crank that
Where's
shit.
your car? Let's crank it.
Yo, we need to crank it right now. I don't know where my car is. Can you help me find it? Because I really don't know where it's
Give your
at.
keys to it.
What kind of car is it? What's it look like?
It's an orange Hyundai Citroen 2006. I couldn't tell you the VIN number, but I'd love to.
Orange
Okay,
Hyundai. Do you have your keys?
If you
Yeah,
give me
I'll
your
show you
name,
where
I
the
can
car is,
find.
bitch. Come here.
I can find it from your name.
Wait,
if you
could
give
you
me your name.
could you just take me in the cop car? I just want to sit in the cop car. I don't want to be on the ground anymore. Someone help me.
Hey, stay
Hang on
down.
the ground. You're not running this at this point, dude.
Yeah.
You
Son, I'm not
understand
running
that?
anything.
Exactly. You're not running any of this.
Take
You're
me-
right.
just
You're
take
right.
me to jail.
So what's your name?
Take me to jail with her. I actually want to go to jail with her.
She's not going to jail. You're going to jail.
I want her to come with me though. I love her.
Okay. Well, what's your name, dude?
Real
Cross
G.
your leg.
Real G. I don't want it.
Real G699. Ben,
A
do you have your
motherfucker.
keys
He
in
has
your
his phone-
pocket?
her phone- His phone number, so we can try and get a phone number.
I can ask
His
her.
name is apparently Ben.
She just
Do
met
you
him
have
last
do you have
night.
a phone number for him or anything?
She just met him last
Yeah. Do you have
Yeah.
his phone number?
No,
You have nothing at all.
nothing. Not
Okay.
a damn
She
thing.
literally just met him last night.
Okay. All right. Well, let's.
I say disorderly conduct under John Doe because look at all the people standing
Yeah,
up
that's
there on
good
the
enough for
balcony.
me. Yeah, it's good enough for me. Breach of the peace, disorderly conduct.
Supposedly he's got an orange something lowrider parked somewhere.
Hyundai, he said. An orange Hyundai.
When I first get here, no, she has no idea. She doesn't even know where the car's parked. She just literally met him last night,
Baby, it's all funny, right?
so she doesn't even know.
It's all funny, son.
Dude, what's your name, dude? You're going to
this thing
jail
on?
regardless, so you might as well tell us your name,
I
dude.
mean, I say we got disorderly all day long.
You got
with
the
all
breach
these-
of the
with all these
peace, you got
people.
disorderly all day.
Could y'all let
And
me
he don't
swim
want to
around,
tell us her
son?
name, John
Why
Doe.
not, boy?
Yep, sure.
Are you dumb?
Anyone got a
Bitch,
do
are
you guys
dumb?
have the,
Come over here, bitch.
Rapid ID.
They're not gonna stop this. Look.
This is how he's been since I got here. She met him last night from Maitland. They drive down here. They were
So I
supposed
guess
to hang
her
out go on
stuff
the
is at
beach
his house
in Maitland.
in Maitland.
Oh, well, she's
She'll
not getting
figure
that
that
back.
out.
Yeah, that's her problem, not mine. So he won't say nothing. He's whatever. I'm trying to get him to calm down. He climbs on the hood of my car and is standing on the hood of my car. So that's when the taser came out. And he walked over here. I made him lay on the grass and just stood there with him until somebody else got here. So I got people standing over there on the balcony, people over here on the balcony. He doesn't want to tell me his name. He could go to jail as John Doe for disorderly. I don't care.
They're everywhere. Exactly.
I'm not doing this all day. He won't tell us his name. He won't tell us where. Supposedly his car's parked somewhere. She doesn't know where it's parked. So
I copy. Is 9 Charlie 11 available?
Why are you looking in my eyes? I'm a real ass person.
Male has female. I don't need Christian to follow for the vehicle. If her stuff's in Maitland and we're taking him, we'll find the vehicle later.
yeah, I say we just do him for disorderly conduct.
see
And
if county has rapid ID?
On an Irish accent that ain't real. Like,
do
holy
you guys have
Am I faking
rapid
this,
ID or anybody?
We don't have rapid ID. I
Nobody's
can
got-
ask if
Am
anyone
I faking
on
this? I love this life. Wait, why do I f***ing love this life? And I gotta piss. Bitch, I'm not piss myself. Johnny, are you joking? Just look at me. Are you joking?
Disorderly? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but they were talking.
Who?
Or ignore you. The radio, dispatch.
Oh, I'm just saying, I mean, I think we got disorderly with them people hanging out over there, all the people from the neighboring balconies coming out and staring and causing an issue. And if he doesn't want to tell us his name, he could go as John Doe.
If you want to throw a BA form in there with it, so when he gets out, he can go there because he said he wants to die. Just go ahead and kill
I'll
me.
just tell them at the jail that he's cuckoo. On her? On him?
Yeah.
All she knows is Ben. Doesn't have a phone number, doesn't know nothing, and all her stuff is with him in Maitland.
Hey, just come back whenever you feel like it. Come back whenever you feel like I love you. I don't want you, bro. I want to fuck you. Come here. Come here. I want to fuck you.
I'm done. Stand up.
I don't want to fuck any of you.
Stand up.
I don't want to fuck any of you. I just want to love all of you. I'm crazy in a wonderful lives. It's you know, classic snakey buster, but I'm not a snake person.
You want to switch cuss?
Yeah. Hey, bitch, look, I'm naked. I don't know if you want. Bitch, it's not real. You're cuffing me. I'll go to jail. What's jail, bitch? Are you dumb? Yeah, I'm playing dead on the cop car, mother. I could dance on this bitch too. Look, I'm licking it. Why isn't anyone killing me, son? What, you have a gun on you. Why don't you kill me, bitch? Where are you going? Are you dumb? Yeah, son, I am God. It's nice.
Double lock on her. Yeah, they're fine.
Really dumb, you bitch. Don't be dumb. Don't be stupid, son. I'm an old man. I'm 400,000 years old, bro. Sorry for getting this snot on your dumbass cop car, bitch. But you a pig and I hate you. But I love you, son. The real you. Listen to your heart. Don't listen to me. Listen to your heart, boy. I'm a dumb retard and I'm crazy and I have snake skin. Where's the snake skin? You want to see the tattoos, baby? Come here. I'll show you. I know you want to see. Look. Look. Just take a look. Peek around the corner. Hey, it's real. I'll peek around for you. I'll do anything for you.
Stay on the car, you understand?
Don't bring my arm. Don't bring my arm. Stop. It hurts.
Then stop. Then stop.
Let go of me, please.
Stop. Stop.
They're hurting me, baby. Please help me. No, they don't understand. I'm not acting. I'm not acting. I'm not acting. It actually hurts. It actually hurts, son. Come on, have it. No, have it.
Sit in there.
On your butt. Somebody's put your.
Sit down.
It's twisting my wrist. Stop. Please, it hurts. I swear.
Sit down.
Slide your feet in.
My first word. I'm a first word. Ow. Can you bring my bitch in here too? I want her here. Just so I can show her what real life is, please. Could you give me my girlfriend? Sir, look at me. Look at me in the eyes.
How about you tell me your name?
Sit back.
I love you.
So we can stop playing this bullshit.
There's no bullshit, son. It's just all funny. Could you just get my girl? It's gonna be okay, motherfucker.
Do you have a hobble?
Yeah, somewhere. It's in my door, but
Okay.
he's so tight in the seatbelt, he ain't going nowhere.
All right. Do you want me to get a statement from her?
Yeah, I guess if we can. I'm trying to think. We got people over there. All the people from the.
I'll go look in
Somebody
there, see if
just
I can
called
get an
out
orange
about with an
traffic.
orange car somewhere. I don't know.
Yeah, another fight.
just a
That
fight.
someone's bleeding from the face.
No, I thought Logan just called out with an orange car.
Because of the fight at Seavis.
Oh, okay.
They left and they got an orange car.
What,
but
from
it's
yesterday or
strange.
the one this morning?
Yeah, and another one Delta 10 or something.
Yeah, he said it wasn't
Orange BMW.
You said you don't know cars like that? Yeah. Where were you guys yesterday, you know?
We were supposed to be. He picked me up from my mom.
And they both went southbound, supposedly from the Seavester, right? Female says it was found on the other male was found on the road.
Get my girl and I want to go to Europe. And I want her to take the one that she wants, so just ask her what she wants. Tell her I'll give her anything she wants, someone. I'll give her anything she wants, just tell her. I'll give her anything she wants, I'll give her anything she wants, I'll give her anything she wants. Just everyone tell her that. At the same time. I'll give her whatever she wants. Please, please, please. Tell her whatever she wants. Tell her she can get whatever she wants. Please listen to me. Help, I need help. I'm hurting, help. I need my girlfriend. Please someone get her in this cop car. Please someone get her in this cop car. She's a criminal. She's a dirty criminal. Don't believe her lies. Put her in the cop car. Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. She's beautiful. She's so beautiful. Be gentle.
I'm just gonna roll the window down. I'm not gonna open the door because I don't want him to get all. I guess you don't really have to stay if I'm just rolling down the window. I was gonna open the door, but I got mine on. It's been on the whole time. Benjamin, I gotta ask you some questions, all right? Before I do, I'm just gonna read something to you. It's your basic rights, all right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you in a criminal prosecution. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time hereafter you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand? Okay. With your basic rights in mind, you want to answer a couple questions I have? All right. How long have you known, what's her name? What? A couple days?
Yeah.
So when did you guys come down here?
So she was in my room. We were eating our steak, and we were doing ketamine also. And I was just showing her how to kind of wake up the way I did.
She was in your room where?
In 1942 man. But you shouldn't rate it because there's no more drugs there. I've done them all. And I know.
So wait, you were at your house in, where was it, Maitland? Do you live?
It's not my house. It's my father's.
Okay, so you were at but that's the house you were at in
Don't bother
Maitland.
him. I love him.
I'm not going to bother your dad, trust me.
Okay.
So you guys were doing drugs there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you decided to get in a car and come down to New Smyrna to go to the beach?
She was like, hey, can we go to the beach? I said, sure, baby, anything you want. And I took her. And
Okay.
then I kind of lost the car. I don't know where it is, but I don't really care either. I just wanted her to be okay. She was like tripping. She didn't know where the car was. But I didn't really know where it was either, but it's kind of because this had to happen because I needed to like realize that I'm real, you know? Like it's kind of hard to realize that I'm not actually going to die, son. Like I can actually do things and the things people tell you, they don't actually matter. And you're not a snake. You're not a snake. They're all snakes. They're all rats, boy. That's their feelings and their shame that they're putting onto you.
Well, once you came down here, you guys parked the car, I guess, wherever you parked the car,
Yeah.
and then what'd you do?
Before I
So you went to the beach and then
I took her and I showed her the ocean and I said, hey baby, isn't this beautiful? And I said, do you love it? And she said, yes. And then I took her and I showed her kind of some other stuff, like I showed her a worm and she really lost it. After she saw the worm, she was like, icky, 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 worms are gross. But we all know worms are beautiful, they're just like, and so like, she just couldn't listen to herself. And I can listen to myself over and over and over and I'm real happy, okay?
Okay. Did you, at any point, did you guys do anything, like sexually, consensual, non-consensual, or anything like that the entire time?
I kissed her, and obviously we had an intimate, or like, I was holding her, but it was like our souls bonded, but I wouldn't say that I touched her in any disgusting, snake-like way. That's disgusting. No.
So you guys just kissed, that was
Absolutely, I love her.
Okay.
I would never hurt her or hurt you. Or
You love her, but you only met her for 3 days? How'd you meet her?
It's true love.
How did you meet her?
She just called my phone.
Huh?
She just called my phone.
She just called your phone?
It's magic. I don't know how to explain it.
Okay. So, but you didn't do anything else but kiss or anything like that?
I touched her and like I held her in a comforting way because I was trip-sitting her kind of.
Like hugging? Like you were hugging her? Like you put your arm around her and hug her?
Just natural interaction. Like.
Okay. But no sexual contact or anything like that?
I did not put my hands in her if that's what you're asking.
Okay. Well, this is a roundabout way.
I would never touch her. I never heard her. I told her that. But.
Okay. Well, she's okay. She's like I said, her mom's going to come pick her up. All right, that makes it a little easier. No other charge I have to charge him, right?
No other?
No, I just...
What are we charging? Got it.
Just because all the people came out, like I said, people came out of theirs, and then once I got him to the grass and he was hooked up and he was still yelling and screaming, I looked up. Dude, there's like 10 people on their balconies from the neighboring condos right there looking to see what the hell's going on.
I got you.
So, all right, I'm gonna get him out of here so I can get back and enjoy more fun.
All right.
See you, buddy.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. What followed raises 3 distinct legal questions: the validity of the arrest, the proportionality of force, and the failure to invoke the Baker Act. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968, officers may detain a person based on reasonable articulable suspicion. That threshold was cleared immediately. The subject had climbed onto the hood of a patrol vehicle, refused commands, and was exhibiting severe behavioral disorganization. The taser warning issued at that moment was a lawful escalation. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989, use of force. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. 3 factors govern that analysis: the severity of the crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting or evading arrest. On all 3 factors, the taser warning was justified. Critically, it achieved compliance without deployment. That is proportionate force by definition. Once handcuffed, the subject disclosed a switchblade in his left pocket. Officers secured it without incident. The pat-down was consistent with Florida's search incident to arrest doctrine under Florida Rule of Criminal Procedure 3.111. The disorderly conduct charge was filed under Florida Statute Section 877.03, which prohibits conduct that corrupts public morals or outrages the sense of public decency in a way likely to provoke a breach of the peace. Officers documented approximately 10 neighbors on their balconies watching the incident. That public disturbance element satisfies the statute on its face. However, Florida courts have consistently held that mental incapacity is a mitigating factor in criminal culpability. The subject's behavioral presentation, grandiose delusions, disorganized speech, and distorted reality testing reflects acute psychotic decompensation, not willful criminal conduct. This is where the central legal failure of this encounter emerges. Florida Statute Section 394.463. The Baker Act authorizes law enforcement to initiate an involuntary psychiatric examination when 2 criteria are met simultaneously. First, the person appears to have a mental illness. Second, because of that illness, the person is likely to cause serious bodily harm to self or others, or refuses to consent and cannot determine whether examination is necessary. On the record captured in this footage, both criteria were demonstrably present. The subject stated he wanted to die. He disclosed active drug use. He carried a bladed weapon. He expressed beliefs that he had killed God and was now immortal. Officers acknowledged the mental health dimension informally. One officer stated he would tell jail staff the subject was, in his words, cuckoo. That is not a Baker Act referral. That is a deflection of a statutory obligation. It is critical to note that the Baker Act and a criminal charge are not mutually exclusive under Florida law. Section 394.463 does not require officers to choose one or the other. Both can and should be pursued concurrently when facts support them. Under City of Revere v. Massachusetts General Hospital, 463 U.S. 2391983. Detainees retain a constitutional right to medical care. The 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause extends that obligation to psychiatric emergencies. Transporting a subject in acute psychosis to a county jail without a Baker Act referral creates downstream constitutional exposure. If that subject decompensates further in custody, the department faces Section 1983 civil rights liability. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 4361966 requires that prior to custodial interrogation, officers advise the subject of the right to remain silent, the right to counsel, and the consequences of waiving those rights. The primary officer read Miranda in full and correctly. The subject indicated he understood and agreed to answer questions. This is one area where procedure was executed without deficiency. Officers also questioned the subject about potential sexual contact with the female witness, specifically addressing consensual and non-consensual conduct. The subject denied sexual intercourse. One officer raised the question of statutory rape, noting the female witness may lack capacity to consent not based on age, but based on her apparent state. Officers ultimately determined no sexual offense charge was supported by the available information. That determination appears legally reasonable given the absence of physical evidence, the subject's own denial, and the female witness's statement that she was not harmed sexually. Primary officer grade B. The primary officer demonstrated exceptional patience and verbal de-escalation over more than 20 minutes with a subject in acute crisis. The force continuum was followed correctly. Miranda was read properly. The interview was professionally conducted. The grade is not an A, because the decision to default to a disorderly conduct charge rather than initiating a concurrent Baker Act hold represents a failure to apply the full scope of available legal tools. That omission creates both a welfare gap for the subject and a legal exposure for the department. Backup officer grade B+. The backup officer integrated effectively, managed the female witness professionally, and critically raised the Baker Act, an option explicitly during officer discussions. That awareness demonstrates sound training. The failure to follow through with a formal referral is the only significant deduction. Female witness grade A-. The witness provided accurate, cooperative information under difficult circumstances. She correctly declined to interfere with the arrest, identified the subject by first name and vehicle description, and accepted assistance appropriately. The deduction reflects the personal safety vulnerability of leaving with a stranger she had known for less than 24 hours, with no independent means of return, not a legal failure, but a personal safety judgment worth noting. The subject is not graded. His conduct throughout this encounter reflects a sustained departure from rational cognition. Grading: voluntary conduct requires voluntary agency. That condition was not present here. Lessons learned. First, mental health crisis and criminal conduct are not mutually exclusive categories. Officers must be trained to pursue both dispositions simultaneously when facts support both. Defaulting to criminal charge alone is legally and ethically insufficient. Second, verbal Baker Act criteria, a subject stating he wants to die, disclosing drug use, and carrying a weapon constitute probable cause for a Section 394.463 hold. These are not informal observations. They are documented statutory triggers. Third, informal disposition of psychiatric emergencies. Telling jail staff someone is off, rather than filing a Baker Act, transfers a constitutional duty of care to a facility that may lack the resources or training to fulfill it. Fourth, City of Revere liability is real. Departments that transport mentally ill detainees to county jail without medical referral, and where those detainees are subsequently harmed, face Section 1983 exposure under the 14th Amendment. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.